Jai Jai.
Hindi mo, nung nagagapon na lang ang aro.
Kuan.
Yung sida, Tagalog.
Aha.
Tagala, nagagata.
Ang nagsabong kasta nalatanan ka.
Sabi ko,
Ha?
Tagalog, taga-Cavite.
Ay kasi ang kal.
May nasawa siya po.
Saluyot.
At ano yung tangko nang?
Kuan. Napindas ti klimat ti Hawaii ta agtudo inaldaw. Di marunggay.
No, di pa pa dyan di Pilipinas.
Kuan.
Yung may ni Fernando to, yung may nangalalat yung may nakinita na. Tunawa mo lang sa bahal nga araramin, hindi sulat na tikod ko dito.
Kuan nakal.
Ako manong pala ko kita dando mga muna nga ipusan tayo dalang sapi o no tayo kahit.
Hawa na na?
Hindi mo nga mo. Ganun na.
Tagalog. Kaya.
1153.
Oh, you got?
So this is Bishop right here.
Ito.
That's the palace.
Oh, yeah?
That's the temple of Palace Capitol.
What is this place?
This is the church, White House Church. A lot of people get married. It's the old church.
Oh, yeah?
This is the President Cayetano's house.
Oh, yeah? Filipino...
We swing around. Get the guy fishing the net.
Where?
See the statue, the guy getting the net.
Where's the fishing?
Right there, catching fish.
Oh, yeah,
Enjoying it.
yeah. Hawaiian guy?
Yeah.
No, that's Filipino guy.
He used to like all Filipino.
Yeah, Filipino teach the Hawaiian how to fish. That's the original.
Then this is a Filipino guy that's family. We're like, oh shit. I was like, thanks, Ed.
What happened?
What the guy's saying? Oh, right there is the main police station. HPG.
You're gonna be there pretty soon, huh? Some... I forgot to recharge the battery.
Is that the second battery?
Yeah.
Kaya state capital coming up. See that big building?
Where's that?
Way big building right there. Check it out. With a big palace, a big column around here.
Palace?